Model, 2009 Ford Ranger XLT double cab for WD runs and drives well spares or repairs. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 145,204. Engine, 2499 cc 2.5 TDCI EU4. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Check engine light on the dash due to an injector chuff. Very easy fix. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features, none, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740